So great news everyone, Claude Code is finally available for free. Yes, you heard me right, I said Claude Code is available for free, but be aware, not the models. Meaning Claude Opus or Claude Sonnet, those models, you still have to pay for them. But if you want to use Claude Code, you can also do this now with open source models. And the way it works is the following. We need to install Ollama first, and after doing this, we can use Ollama and the open source models we download to our local system with Claude. So let me show this to you. At first, if I go to my terminal, so in the editor of your choice, normally you would just type in Claude, right, to run Claude, and maybe you all add additional, flags like dangerously skip permissions or something like that. So instead of doing it this way, we can also write it now like Ollama launch and then Claude. And if we do this, press enter, you'll see that now Claude is launched with, in this case, my default model, which is in this case is Qwen 3, the 8 billion version. But this is only selected because I started this before. Because normally, the first time you launch Claude this way, you can select or choose one of the open source models you have downloaded to your local system. And if you want to change the model later on, I can also show it to you. Let me just go out here and do it again. Ollama launch Claude, in this case, and you just type in the config flag. So --config, like this, and if you press enter, then you'll see that you can select the models you have downloaded to your system. So in this case, I do not have the right model downloaded so far, I just need to do this. So in order to do this, we should go to Ollama website, let me go there, in here, and then we can actually choose the model of our choice, which would best fit our use case. In this case, it probably is a Coda model. So as far as I know, GLM models are pretty good, so you can go with these ones. If I take this option here, you see that this is 19 gig, which you need, and that would be one option. And the other option, which might also be good, would be, beside Kimi, of course, if you can run this on your system, is the Qwen 3 Coda model. So if I search for Qwen 3, there is actually a Coda model, which is this one here from Alibaba, which is quite good as far as I've seen. So you can go there as well, and then you just pull this down to your local system. So if you're in the CLI, you see Ollama run, and then Qwen 3 Coda, and you download it to your system. And you can also download it via curl or Python or JavaScript if you want to do that as well. So basically download the model of your choice, then you go back to the editor of your choice, as we are here. In my case, it's Visual Studio Code. And then you run here it with the config flag if you run it the second time or third time, and then you choose the right model. So for instance, have here DeepSeek. If I would do this, choose DeepSeek, press enter, and then yes, I like to launch it now. And then you can see now I have Claude Code here. I can start here, and I do that basically with my local model. And yeah, that's it actually. So a great thing actually, from my point of view, that we can now use Claude, try it out with open source models as well. And I'm curious, what do you think? Have you tried it so far? If so, then share your thoughts. Let me know how it works for you. And as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so far, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks a lot. Take care and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.